In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create mockups for your Etsy digital products using Canva. It's super easy, and I'm here to make sure you get it down step by step. Let's jump right into it. If you've ever sold digital products on a platform like Etsy, let's say printable wall art, planners, or invitations, you'll know that one of the biggest challenges is showcasing your product effectively. You can't just upload a raw image of your artwork because not only does that fail to give customers a sense of how it will look in a real-world setting, but it also runs the risk of people stealing the image directly from your listing. So, how do you create an enticing listing while keeping your original work safe? That's where mockups come in. Mockups are a game changer for digital product sellers. What exactly is a mockup? Think of it as a professional photo or digital scene where you can overlay your digital art to demonstrate how it would look in a real-life setting. For instance, if you're selling printable wall art, a mockup might feature a cozy living room with a blank wall or a stylish workspace with an empty frame where you can place your artwork. This gives potential buyers a clear and relatable vision of how your product will look once they print it out and hang it up. It's a step up from just showing a flat, plain image of your design. For example, instead of displaying your artwork as a simple digital file, you can use a mockup to show it as part of a home gallery wall, in a chic modern frame, or even styled in a trendy cafe. This approach not only adds visual appeal but also allows customers to imagine your product in their own space, making it far more compelling and desirable. Mockups are especially powerful for selling digital downloads because they bridge the gap between a conceptual product and its real-world application. Whether you're designing printable art, custom invitations, or branding materials, presenting your work in context helps build trust and interest. Tools like Canva, Smart Mockups, or Photoshop make it easy to create mockups by letting you layer your designs seamlessly onto professionally styled scenes. The result? Your listings look polished, professional, and ready to attract buyers. For instance, you can use a photo of a living room with an empty frame and overlay your artwork on the frame to make it look as if it's actually hanging there. This extra step elevates your listings, highlights your product's value, and boosts customer confidence, all while protecting your original file from unauthorized use. Mockups aren't just helpful, they're an essential part of selling digital products effectively. The great news? You don't need expensive software or advanced design skills to create stunning mockups. Enter Canva, a fantastic, user-friendly design platform where you can craft professional-looking mockups for free. Canva is incredibly versatile, allowing you to create everything from Instagram posts to presentations, and yes, mockups are part of its toolbox too. Best of all, you can get started without spending a dime. Canva makes the process simple. Signing up is quick, just use your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll find a treasure trove of templates and tools at your fingertips. Simply go to canva.com and you're ready to dive in. Whether you're showcasing printable wall art, digital invitations, or custom designs, Canva helps you create mockups that look polished and professional. What sets Canva apart is its drag-and-drop interface. And don't forget, while the free version is powerful enough, Canva Pro offers additional perks like premium images, backgrounds, and branding tools. But for beginners or small businesses, Canva's free version is more than enough to create high-quality mockups that showcase your products in the best light. Alright, so how do you create a mockup for your Etsy shop? To get started, head over to canva.com and log in or create an account if you're new. It only takes a minute to sign up. Once you're in, it's time to dive into Canva's treasure trove of templates and tools. At the top of the homepage, you'll find the search bar. Type in mockup, and you'll see a variety of stunning, ready-made templates perfect for showcasing your designs. Many of these templates are free, though Canva Pro users get access to even more premium options. For example, let's say you're creating a mockup to display your printable wall art. You might come across templates that feature stylish living room settings, blank walls with modern decor, or cozy bedroom setups. Let's choose one with a sleek frame hanging on a living room wall surrounded by trendy furniture and plants. It's a great way to help your potential buyers visualize your art in their space. Once you've found the design you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open up the editor, where you can start making the template your own. Whether it's changing the background, adjusting the colors, or adding your digital artwork, Canva's intuitive interface makes it simple to customize everything. With just a few tweaks, you'll have a professional-looking mockup that showcases your product beautifully. And don't worry if you're not sure where to start. Canva's drag-and-drop tools make experimenting easy, so you can fine-tune your design until it's perfect. Once you're in the Canva editor and ready to start customizing your mockup, head over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to make your mockup shine. Click on the Uploads tab, and from there, you can easily upload your digital artwork. Download from your design software, or wherever you've created it, as a high-resolution PNG or JPG file. Then, simply drag and drop it into the Upload section, or click the Upload Files button to locate it on your computer. For example, imagine you've designed a minimalist black and white quote. You upload it and position it perfectly inside a modern living room mockup, featuring a sleek wooden frame hanging on a textured wall. It instantly elevates your design and helps potential buyers envision how your artwork could look in their space. And don't forget, if your art isn't quite aligning, Canva's grid and snap-to-place features make adjustments easy and precise. With just a few clicks, you'll have a professional-looking mockup ready to showcase your work. Once your artwork is successfully uploaded, you'll find it in the Upload section on the left-hand sidebar of Canva. Now, it's time to bring your mockup to life. Simply drag and drop your artwork into the frame or canvas area on the template you've chosen. Canva will automatically place the image inside the placeholder, but you may need to make a few adjustments to ensure it looks just right. For instance, let's say you've uploaded a colorful abstract painting. After dropping it into the frame, you might notice that part of the image doesn't align perfectly or the proportions look slightly off. That's where Canva's adjustment tools come in handy. Click on the image, and you'll see handles around it that let you resize and reposition the artwork. Drag the corners to enlarge or shrink the image, and use the cursor to move it around until it sits perfectly within the frame. If you're working with a horizontal piece of art and the frame is vertical, or vice versa, don't worry. Canva allows you to crop and rotate your artwork to make it fit naturally. For example, if you're showcasing a motivational quote, you can adjust it to ensure the text is centered and fully visible. This customization process not only makes your artwork look professional, but also gives potential buyers a real sense of how your piece will look in their space. With a little patience and creativity, your mock-up will be polished and ready to grab attention. You can easily remove any unnecessary elements from your chosen Canva template to ensure your artwork shines. For example, if your template includes placeholder text like your design here or decorative elements that don't align with your style, simply click on them and press delete. This lets you keep the focus solely on your art. Let's say your template includes a vase, books, or other decorative items on a table beneath the frame. If these elements distract from the overall look, you can either delete them entirely or reposition them to create a cleaner design. For instance, if you're showcasing a minimalist black and white typography print, you might want to remove any vibrant objects that clash with your artwork's aesthetic. If the template features text, like mockup design, you can delete it with a single click. Alternatively, if you like having some text but want it to better represent your brand, you can customize it. Replace the placeholder text with a catchy tagline. You can even use Canva's font library to find a typeface that complements your art's theme. Every element in the mockup should highlight your art rather than compete with it. By simplifying the layout and removing unnecessary distractions, you ensure your design takes center stage. Whether you're presenting a bold abstract painting or a serene nature print, these small adjustments help potential buyers envision your art as part of their own space. After your mockup is complete, you're ready to save it. Click the download button in the top right corner of Canva. For the best results, I recommend choosing either PNG or JPEG formats. Both ensure your mockup looks crisp and professional. If you want even more control over quality, you can use Canva's size slider to increase the resolution, which is especially helpful for high-detail images. Once your mockup is downloaded, head over to Etsy and begin creating a new listing for your digital product. Start by uploading the mockup images you just created. Etsy allows you to add up to 10 photos per listing, so don't hold back. Showcase your art in different settings to give potential buyers a better idea of how it might look in their home. For instance, you can create one mockup for a living room, another for a cozy bedroom, and perhaps a close-up detail of your artwork. As you set up your Etsy listing, take the time to fill out all the necessary fields. Craft a compelling title that includes relevant keywords. Write a detailed description explaining the dimensions, file format high-resolution PDF or PNG, and how customers can use your product. Make sure to emphasize that this is a digital download and no physical product will be shipped. Under the product type, select digital so Etsy knows it's a downloadable item. Upload your artwork file, ensuring it's properly labeled and ready for customers to access after their purchase. With everything complete, hit publish, and your listing will go live. Now you're officially selling your digital artwork in a way that highlights its potential beautifully. You've now created mockups for your Etsy listings using Canva, and you can show potential customers exactly how your artwork will look on their wall. No more worrying about people stealing your images, and your listing looks professional.